Hey friends, it's Blinky. Did you know 40,000 times a day, tiny hairs inside our noses move? But what happens when we sneeze?
When we sneeze, air rushes out at 100 miles per hour. This fast air makes our noses wiggle.
The wiggling is caused by muscles that help us breathe. They get a bit mixed up when we sneeze. Now we know why our noses wiggle when we sneeze. It's because of the tiny hairs and fast air working together. Stay curious, Blinky has more surprises coming. Let's figure it out with Blinky. Hoot hoot.